Hello! What's up, fellow teachers? I am Tutor Nan, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build rapport. Let's go!
Okay, teachers, ngayon naman ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano natin sisimulan yung mismong class natin. So, nandyan na si student, nandyan ka na, okay na lahat, open na lahat ng files na dapat gamitin mo. Ngayon, paano nga ba mag-start ng class? Ako, personally, I have my PPT. So, ginawa ko siya to welcome my student. Here, the theme is like super class, superhero, ganon. Open mo yung camera mo, i-welcome mo si student. So, of course, first, you need to check the device pa rin. Make sure na naririnig ka ni student at naririnig mo din siya. And nakikita ka ni student at nakikita mo rin siya. So, you need to ask your student, do you hear me clearly? And don't forget to use the TPR. If gusto mong malaman kung narinig ka niya at para mas maintindihan ka niya, use the TPR. Yung hand mo, lagay mo sa tenga mo ganyan. Do you hear me clearly? Then, sasagot si student. Next, do you see me clearly? Ngayon naman, ganito tayo. Then, lagay natin sa mata natin. So, this is what we call TPR. Lahat ng sinasabi nating action, gagawin natin din. Okay? Hear, see. Next, kung okay na lahat, naririnig mo si student, naririnig ka ni student, nakikita mo si student, nakikita ka ni student, but minsan may nang-trick na student. Sasabihin na hindi ka naririnig at hindi ka nakikita kahit naririnig ka naman at nakikita ka. So, sa camera, hindi natin alam talaga kung hindi tayo nakikita or what. So, we need to check it. But when it comes to hearing, malalaman mo kung trinitrick ka lang ni student. Pag nag-ask ka na question, sinasagot ka niya, ibig sabihin, naririnig ka niya. Okay? So, next, of course, sa demo, first time mo mamimit si student, you need to introduce yourself. Okay? So, you may say, hello, I am. Okay? So, I am, tatapat mo sa sarili mo, I am teacher Fernan. Then, how about to you? What is your name? So, here sa PPT ko, niready ko na yung Chinese translation. Kasi, based on my experience, kadalasan hindi masagot ni student yung question. Okay? Pag bata naman at hindi pa rin din nakakabasa ng Chinese characters, pwede kang gumamit ng pictures or icon, like for example, bata na may name tag or nameplate. Okay? Para maintindihan niya yung question. Okay, so na-introduce mo na yung sarili mo, sinabi na yung pangalan niya. Of course, you will say, you need to say, nice to meet you. Okay, so again, TPR, raise your hand, and mag-akma ka na parang nakikipag-shake hand na ganyan. Nice to meet you. Next, you may ask also, how old are you? Wow! 6 years old! At your young age, you like to learn the English language. That's great! Yan. Pwede mong bula-bulahin. Tapos, kailangan malakas na agad yung energy kasi kailangan mong makuha yung attention ni student. That's why the best characteristic na dapat meron tayong mga online teachers ay dapat tayo ay enthusiastic, jolly teacher. Parang si Jollibee na bida-bida. Okay? So, dapat, yes, we are not clowns, but kailangan, as a person, kailangan yung sense of humor natin para bigyan tayo ng attention. Ganon. Okay? Next, of course, kilala nyo na yung isa't isa. Proceed na kayo sa lesson. Tatanungin mo si student, okay, are you ready now for our today's lesson or our tonight's lesson? Yes, I am ready, teacher. Okay, pag hindi niya alam yung sasagot, pwede niyong sabihan or ituro kung ano dapat sagot. Okay, sabihin nyo, okay, say, yes, I am ready, teacher. Ganon. Okay? Sa demo, you don't need to play videos. You don't need to play games para lang makuha yung attention ng student. Again, this is demo. Hindi lang yung student yung ini-impress natin. We need to give a great impression sa parents ng student and sa mga class leader. Usually, yung magiging estudyante nyo sa demo ay anak ng class monitor. Yung class monitor, siya yung nagbibigay sa atin ng students. Okay? Parang ako yung tutor manager nyo dito sa Pilipinas, siya yung manager doon sa China. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano natin susimulan yung lesson natin. So, sa next video natin, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ang tamang paggamit ng Blackboard during your discussion, your class discussion. Because here in Happy Planet, you need to use the Blackboard. And not only sa Happy Planet, kung magde-demo kayo sa iba, it's a big class kung kaya nyong gamitin yung Blackboard sa pagtuturo. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching this short video. See you in our next video. Proceed na!